Days to go until President Trump's tariffs take effect for nearly 70 countries all around the world. There's uncertainty about the strength of the U.S. economy following a weaker than expected jobs report on Friday. In the wake of that disappointing news, President Trump sent shockwaves across Washington by firing the official in charge of the numbers, Erica McIntyre, the commissioner of the Bureau of Labor Statistics, claiming without any evidence that the numbers were rigged to make him look bad.
I've had issues with the numbers for a long time, but we're doing so well. I believe the numbers were phony, just like they were before the election, and there were other times. So you know what I did? I fired her.
The move prompting a backlash on Capitol Hill, with some Republicans expressing concern and Democrats denouncing the president's actions.
It was just fired because the president or whoever decided to fire the director just did it because they didn't like the numbers. They had to grow up.
The president is firing the statistician because he doesn't like the numbers, but they are accurate, then that's a problem.
It is the sign of an authoritarian type. And when you get information you don't like, rather than deal with the issue, you fire the people who gave you the bad news.
It's classic Donald Trump. When he gets the news he doesn't like, he shoots the messenger.
In addition to the lackluster July report, jobs numbers for May and June were also revised downward, leading to the worst 3 months of job growth since the pandemic. All of it coinciding with Mr. Trump's announcement of sweeping tariffs. As the president's August 1st deadline for tariff deals passed, he signed an executive order locking in rates set to go into effect August 7th. The United Kingdom will see 10% tariffs, and Japan and the EU will each face 15% tariffs, with those nations having made deals with the White House, while Canada, which has not yet reached terms with Mr. Trump, will face 35% tariffs on many goods.
Well, they have to pay a fair rate. That's all. It's very simple. I love Canada. I have so many friends in Canada. But they've been very poorly led. They've been very, very poorly led. And all we want is fairness for our country.
Democrats accusing the president of wreaking havoc on the economy.
The tariffs are going to decimate our economy if they are as extreme as the president wants.
They're very, very worried about an economy that was the strongest economy in the world, not a perfect, but it was the strongest economy in the world in December of 2024. Now it's got nothing but smoke coming out of it and red lights flashing.
And joining me now is the director of the White House National Economic Council, Kevin Hassett. Mr. Hassett, welcome to Meet the Press.
Great to be here. Thank you.
It's great to have you here. Let's start with President Trump's decision to fire the head of the Bureau of Labor Statistics, Erica McIntyre, who he accused of manipulating job numbers. Mr. Hassett, what evidence does the administration have that she manipulated the jobs numbers?
Right. Well, what we've seen over the last